So Nutanix have made significant enhancement in FY24 in our Partner Elevate program, in a way that we are providing back-end rebates for our partners depending on their level of partnership and specifically by acquiring new customers to Nutanix. And having said that, we are also providing incentivizing the people who are behind all the effort in obtaining those customers, new customers, which are the partner sales reps as well as the partner pre-sales. So for any new acquisition, they are also rewarded for their efforts. We introduced another category of our back-end rebate, and here we are targeting the channel-led business, where we empower our partner to drive the complete sales life cycle by acquiring a new customer. In Nutanix, we have segmented those segmented accounts for our enterprise and commercial sales reps. So any accounts which are outside this list will be considered as channel-led. And for that, on top of the back-end rebate they get by closing for the organizational rebate, they will get also a channel-led rebate as well. So this is so much rewarding, and a very important part to make sure this program is driven in a successful way is leveraging our value-add distributors, and especially Starlink, who have the full capability to make sure the partner are meeting the competencies and all what it needs to elevate their level of partnership with Nutanix. So FY24 is a very important year for Nutanix. We have great initiatives, and there are major 3 pillars that we are targeting this year, which is Nutanix clusters and Nutanix database as a service, and third we have the Nutanix unified storage. Previously Nutanix was leading the HCI market, the hyperconverged, by making data centers invisible. And today we are approaching the hybrid multi-cloud methodology by making cloud invisible and accelerating the cloud journey for customers in order to meet their cloud strategies and cloud dues. The second pillar is the Nutanix database as a service. So by saying Nutanix database as a service is the complete lifecycle management of the database in a way that we accelerate the operation from provisioning to patching to backup and recovery, minimize the resources needed to manage a database, and accelerating the performance. So this is a very important milestone, and regardless of the database engine that the customer is using, let it be MongoDB, Postgres, Oracle, MySQL, we can make sure that the customer is managing the complete database lifecycle from one user interface. And third, which is our Nutanix unified storage, where we provide the customer the ability to have every flavor of storage, let it be on SAN, on files, on objects, all in one platform and managed from one user interface. So that's basically what we are focusing this year, and we are guiding our partners throughout our mission. So Nutanix has transitioned to a 100% subscription company, and renewals is actually an important and integral part for us in FY24. And we're making sure that our partners are guided towards that path through a model called LAIR. LAIR actually is land, adopt, expand, and renew. We land first with the Nutanix HCI and the customer environment, and we build his private cloud. And secondly, we make sure that the customer adopts the Nutanix services. And upon adopting it, the customer, and after he experienced the simplicity in the operation and meeting the expectation when he utilizes the services, the customer has other requirements where he expands with Nutanix for other use cases. And finally, and last but not least, where we may need to make sure that the customer has the highest level of satisfaction in order to renew with Nutanix. And the testimonial for that is our NPS score has been over 90 plus for the many years. We're talking about 8 years here and more. And this is a testimonial to show that the support we are providing to our customer is top-notch and they are fully satisfied. So basically this is the model and the approach we have for our partners for FY24.